Hi everyone, my name's Julianne. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I'm going to be using Olaplex on my hair for the very first time, and I'm so excited because I've heard so many amazing reviews about these products. And over the past couple years, my hair has just been through so much. When I was in high school, I used to dye it blonde. I used heat every day. I used heat protectant, but of course it didn't really help that much because it wasn't like a great brand. I don't think I used it like religiously as I should have. So of course my hair has just been through a lot, and especially with the pandemic, I didn't have it cut for a long time. My hair was not doing well, basically. So yeah, so today I'm going to be starting using Olaplex, and I'm going to use it religiously for like the next couple months, and I'll do a video showing you all like the results like before and after using Olaplex. But if you want to see how I'm going to be using it on my hair today, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I just went to the bathroom and I got my hair damp, and then I also used like a t-shirt just to kind of like dry it a little bit, that way it wasn't dripping everywhere. The first product that I'm gonna use is the Olaplex number 3. So I watched a video and this girl kind of like sectioned off her hair and put on the product and made sure it was like kind of everywhere, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now my entire head is coated in the Olaplex number 3. So now in the instructions, it says we have to wait 10 minutes, and it says you can wait like longer if you want. So I'll probably wait like 15, you know, kind of like let it all get in there and whatever. And then I will rinse it out and show you guys what I do after. Okay, so I just rinsed out the Olaplex number 3 out of my hair, and then I also did my shampoo and conditioner routine afterwards because that's what's recommended on the bottle. And I've used a lot of hair masks, I guess, in my lifetime, but I can say rinsing out the Olaplex number 3, my hair felt so soft and so silky just when I was doing it. I like to rinse out my hair with cold water too, so I think that probably helps a little bit. But yeah, already feeling like really great about this product. In probably about like 3 months, hopefully I can like start to see actual results. But from what I can say, I have high hopes. Anyway, so next up, I'm gonna use the Olaplex number 6. It's called the Bond Smoother. So this one I can put in either damp or dry hair. My hair is like kind of damp. It's not like dripping wet like I did. I dried it with a t-shirt already. But I'm gonna put it in my hair, and then I'm gonna blow dry my whole head, and then I'm gonna use the final product that I have. And apparently, according to the directions, this product has some heat protectant in it, and it will protect my hair against like the heat from the blow drying. So we're gonna try that out really quick. Okay, so now my hair is all blow dried, and the last product I'm gonna use is the Olaplex number 7. So this is the bonding oil. I guess you can use it when your hair's damp, but you can also use it to like add shine and stuff after you've like dried it and everything. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. Okay, it's like 3 drops, so I don't know if that's good. We're just gonna comb that through the ends of my hair with my fingers. Okay, so I have now put in the oil in my hair. I actually feel like I can really see how much frizz was reduced, because I don't know if you could tell before, but my hair like has some, you know, has some puffiness in it. So after using the oil, I really don't see as much of that. I actually really like it. So yeah, that concludes using Olaplex on my hair for the first time. In my opinion, I really like these products. I definitely will have to wait to see over like a couple month period, like probably like 3 months, to see like how it really works in repairing my hair. My hair's like not super dead, especially because I got it, I cut it a little bit ago. But I do feel like my hair does have that, like, I don't know, a little bit of a rough texture right now, just because I just haven't been doing much hair care the past like couple months. But I'm getting back into it, and I'm really liking the way the Olaplex products is making my hair feel. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and like and subscribe.